Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to recover your Udemy account's password if you lost it. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to recover your Udemy account's password, if you have forgotten it, first let's open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in udemy.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login, and over here you can see you'll be required to enter your email and your password over here. And if you forgot your password, to reset your password, you can see the forgot password option available over here. Let's click on forgot password to recover our Udemy account's password. Now on this interface, you'll be required to enter your email address over here, of which your password has been lost, or you of the account whose password you forgot. And with that being said, let's click on I'm not a robot and click on reset password, and Udemy will send us a mail in our Gmail. And let's click on next. Let's log into our Gmail account first, and over here you can see the reset password link sent by the Udemy itself. Now you can see the change your password option available over here. Click on change your password, and on this page you'll be required to enter your password over here, and after that enter your password here again to confirm your password, and then click on submit to reset your password. And there guys, this is how you reset or recover your Udemy account's password if you have forgotten it. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.